Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy. Daddy, blow!
Ipinagdiwang ni Janice de Belen ang kaarawan ng ama na si Philip de Belen. Binahagi naman niya na lumaki siyang malayo sa ama at thankful siya ngayon na siya ang nakakabanding nito at nakakasama ng kanyang mga anak.
This is your cake from Chef Joey. Okay. Chef Joey, thank you for baking Daddy a cake. Especially for him. Wow, Daddy, may kandila ka pa dito. Huh? I think you have to... Okay, wait. The other one, may part din. Lighter pen. Get the lighter pen. There's a candle leaf. What happened to this?
Alagang-alaga si Tatay Philip ng mag-iinang Janice. Ang cake ni Daddy Philip, very special dahil pinasadya itong i-bake sa kaibigang chef ni Janice. Very special si Daddy Philip. Di man kumpleto dahil wala si Jelly de Belen sa celebration, na kasama naman niya ang mga apo niya kay Janice.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Daddy, blow. Okay. See?
Don't show us in your video.
No more. Yeah. You should do this. Chef Joey, you should bake more birthday cakes.
Narito naman ang mensahe ni Janice sa kanyang ama. Growing up, I spent more time with my mom because she went with me to work. It was really Jelly de Belen who spent more time with you. And I'm really happy because you are here with us now and I get to spend more time with you. I love you, Daddy. Happy birthday. Nag-post din ng mahabang birthday message si Jelly de Belen sa kanyang ama. I was always a daddy's girl. You are my foodie partner. You introduced me to most of my favorite foods, hito and bulalo. You taught me how to peel shrimps efficiently in the time shortest possible, so I can enjoy my food right away. Otherwise, you would peel it for me. Those memories I hold dear. I love you, Daddy. Kahit you forget to answer my phone calls, wish I was with you today. Happy birthday to the very first man I love. Busy nga ngayon si Jelly de Belen sa kanyang trabaho sa showbiz. Miss na niya ang ama kaya nagbahagi na lang siya ng mahabang mensahe para dito. Si Janice naman masayang ibinahagi nag-isang achievement niya dahil napapanood nga lang daw niya ito dati, ngayon ay nabili na niya. Madalas nga raw dry na ang kanyang mga kamay kahuhugas ng pinggan. Ibinahagi nga niya ito na kailangan na nga raw niya itong gamitin.